Deputy clerk. Where is the deputy clerk? Ametoroka. She was seated there. Where is the? Can you call deputy clerk sergeant? Can you call the deputy clerk?
Speaker, this is a very beautiful book. I don't know how much you used to print it.
And we had said at the beginning.
We do it in our own county assembly. You've done very well, but all the documents here look funny. All of them. There's no signature, there's no stamp, there's no forwarding message. You understand what I'm saying? In other words, this thing is completely sanitized. All of it, when I look at it as somebody who's a little bit knowledgeable.
Which building is this? Is it the current building you're occupying?
Yes, that's the
one, the
final product.
Million,
yeah, that's the final product
this
of
the
the building.
367 million, how it should look like.
Yes.
But then,
procedurally,
no, but procedurally you don't have to put it here because it's not there.
It is an impression.
It's there only that it's not complete.
I have ruled out of, you are totally out of order.
Can we say this document is valid? Because we can challenge this.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. It doesn't appear very accurate.
Chair.
I've ruled that the ESCC follows up this matter.
I have further question to the Assembly.
Yes.
Now that the clerk is saying is not signatory to the bank account,
so
who is the signatory?
Chairperson?
Deputy.
Deputy clerk. Where is the deputy clerk? Ametoroka. She was seated there. Where is the? Can you call deputy clerk sergeant? Can you call the deputy clerk? As we wait for signatory on the issue of delayed MCS building and the building of the county assembly, follow up and give us a progress report in the first quarter of next year. Directed. Deputy clerk, can you be given something to
Chair
to say? You can now shoot.
Why were you given the signatory? Because now let me rephrase my question. Procedurally, the clerk is the accounting officer. Yeah.
Yes.
We are being told the clerk has been denied signatory of the account. What are the reasons behind it? And are you the one signing all the finances, authorizing all the payments under the assembly? What are the reasons? Because you are also lying to us. The clerk has said some few minutes ago, we can refer to the to the handset. He said he's the accounting officer. Am I right, clerk?
You are right, Senator.
Which means you are also lying under oath. Yeah? He's not the accounting officer. So, Deputy, can you respond to those questions? Why are you the signatory, not the clerk?
Thank you, Senator.
The speaker, can you switch off your mic so that we get clarity?
Are you on mic?
Yes.
Yes, I can see.
The responsibility was given to me by the board.
Speaker.
Is there evidence to that?
Speaker, can you give us the reasoning why the signature was removed from him and given to the deputy?
Thank you, Honorable Chair. As you heard, the clerk was away for nearly 5 years. And the deputy clerk, we had an audit query last time when we came here that the deputy clerk was acting the deputy clerk acted for 5 good years when the clerk was not in office, and the signatory has been with him since then. When our clerk came back as a board, we did the minutes, and I signed the documents for him to change the signatories. So from there, I don't know what happened. And
Speaker, no, you can't say you don't know what happened. You are the head of that institution.
It's right.
Yeah? You can't tell us you have actually authorized his signature to be returned. And then on the other hand, you are telling us you don't know what happened.
That's
I mean,
very
the
true.
responsibility of running of that institution lies with you.
It's very true.
So can I ask, when did the clerk come back?
He came back officially in January 20.
So do you want to tell us from January up to now, his signature has not been approved? It is still with the deputy clerk.
That's true.
Why?
I don't know the procedures, but the clerk can attest.
No.
He's here.
Excuse me, Chair.
I think.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, you are letting me down, boss.
It creates a very bad picture.
So let me
Chair, just before you rule, Chair, you know you've asked him a question he has not answered. You asked him whether he's a signatory.
Are you a signatory?
I think that's a very important question.
Yes or no?
No.
Okay, thank you. So we'll make a ruling that I think EACC you need to follow up. That's a serious matter. So, area senator, you can see what is happening.
So was this certificate number 12 paid? I asked that question. Was it ever paid?
Director of Finance, I think, can the Director of Finance take a note of Tharaka? Yeah.
Chair.
Tharaka sana. No, so before we interrogate further, can the Director of Finance take oath Tharaka?
I, Leonard Nyamasege, do solemnly swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee in respect of the matters before the committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
So can you answer, Senator?
Thank you, Chairman. Certificate number 12 on question is not yet paid. Certificate number 11, which forms part of the cumulative amount for the work done, has been partly paid, as the Speaker mentioned. And the two certificates have been forwarded to our requisitioning passes through the county treasury.
Are those copies of those certificates here?
Number 12 is attached, which is the latest.
On which one? 2022. That is page?
On 2022,
which page is it?
page 110, Chair.
110.
Yeah.
Who should be authorizing payments?
Is the clerk.
Is the clerk.
Yes.
But the clerk is not signatory. And it is here, Cheta, Senator, it has been paid 255,009,03502. That's page 110 of 2022. So the report is right.
Chairman, that is the certificate raised.
So it has not been paid.
But it is still pending because we did a requisition and it has not been paid because of the cash flow problems.
Total.
And if you remove it, there is 220. So still what you are telling us, 211 has not added up.
Cumulative chair of 255 includes two certificates. There's certificate number 11, which the Speaker mentioned, of 48 million, and certificate number 12, which is 14 million, a total of 62. Out of that, 16 is paid. 18 is paid. So if you remove what is already paid, what is pending is 255 minus.
In your 111, you have said total work done up to date is 255 billion. 903,502.
Yes.
Less previous payment of 241,287,502.
Chair, could I ask a subsequent question through
Yes.
OAG? What is the true position on this matter?
Thank you, Chair. The correct amount that has not been paid, if you check our latest report, most of the contracts were not given, and it is in our report for 2023, whereby we had requested to be given all the certificates because when you look at the final certificate, when you attach, it should give you all the payments that have been done.
Correct.
And again, talking on the pending bills is also questionable because we are under cash basis. So,
Yes.
so when you look at the pending bills that they have reported, there's none pertaining to this construction that we are talking about. So I think it has not been addressed, and maybe they should maybe give us all the certificates so that we are confirmed the same. Thank you, Chair.
I think I had
Chair,
made a ruling on this matter, yes.
Chair,
Yes.
I'm looking at this certificate on page 110. I don't know whether the auditor has looked at it.